Okay, welcome back to my channel. Welcome. Thank you for staying by. Thank you for sticking by me. Okay, today I will teach us how to edit video, as in how to react to a video that is not yours on InShot app, so that Facebook will not ban you or YouTube will not ban you based on copyright. Then this is how to react to a video so that it will look perfect, neat, and it will just be like an original video of yours. So let's dive in. This is my InShot app. I'll click on new, then I'll go to video. Let me choose a video that will make the main video now, as in the main video that I want to react on. So let's choose any random video here. So okay, let's choose this one. This is the video now. Remember to remove this thing. Click on remove, free remove, so that it can be removed. Then, because if you do not click on it, your video will have watermark, and it's not good for your video. So this is the main video now. I want to react on it. First of all, what I will do is I'll go to volume, go and turn the volume off to 0, because I want to turn this video to my original video. Then I'll go to peep. You see peep, click on peep. Then I'll check that video that I want to use to react on it. Which video that I want to use to react on this now? 30 minutes. I need a 30 minutes video too. Yes. So this is the 30 minutes video here. You see how I'm trying to make it a bit shorter? You see it here now. Then I'll now go to cut out. You see this tool now, cut out. Click on it. When I click on it, I'll click on cut out. You see everything has been cut out, but it's still video. Then I'll go to volume, because I don't want the volume to be playing. I'll remove it too. So you see it, cut out complete. So you see the both video now, both of them are playing. You see it here. So I want to add voice to it. I will not be like, okay, let me be, okay, this thing is not showing well. Video beginning here. So I will now say, okay, I want it to be my own video, you get? So I have to add my own voice. So I'll go to click on this good, so that this thing will be applied. Then go to audio. I'll now click on record. Click on record. Only this. You can put while using the app, anyone you choose. Then I'll now click on this place, this red circled place now. So after doing this, is just, I'm just trying to do what, make an example. So let's see how my voice went here. That can record. Okay, hey guys, can you watch this thing and see how this person was singing in this video? As in, the video, what till the end, you will learn a lot. As in, so you see it now. You see it. This video is already automatically yours now, because you have edited, you have added your voice. If you don't want to, after doing that, you click on this good, so that it will be applied. If you don't want to remove that voice on the background, if you don't want to remove it, you go to this place, so that you can actually add something there, so that the voice will not implicate you, as in they will not say it's a copyright. Go to voice effects. Okay, sorry, I have to increase the volume of this one, so that we can use it, because it's the main video that you need to do what, you need to do the voice something. So voice effect now, then I'll change it. You see it. This is the main audio in that video. You see, but you see the main sound here, so that you can understand, you can differentiate between these two now and the voice effect. You see the main sound now. So I'll click on this one now. You see it now. Just make sure that you apply some things there. Just make sure that you apply something, you change some things so that the video can be yours. So I'll click on back because I don't want to apply this. But if you want to apply it, click on good. Remember. So this is that video. You see. I can record. Okay. Hey guys, can you watch this thing and see how this person was singing in this video? As in, the video, what's in the end? You see it now. That main audio is there, my voice is there. If I don't want that main audio to be there, I'll still reduce the volume to 0%. But if I want the audio to be there and my voice to be there, I have to blend both of them together so that it will look catchy and original, so that it will not look like a copyright. And you see the reaction video by their side is playing, is still talking. So that is how to use reaction videos for videos that is not yours, so that it will make it look like original video. After doing everything you're doing here, remember to click on export. Yes, when you click on export, it will be exported to your gallery, where you can now carry it and post anywhere you want to post it. Hope you find it useful. Thank you for staying by. Thank you for watching till the end. See you next time. Don't forget to leave a comment, subscribe, and please share to your friends to learn with you. Thank you so much.